First, let's talk about the easiest way to post your music on Spotify using a distribution service like DistroKid or TuneCore. So these services are going to help you get your songs onto Spotify and onto other platforms with just a few clicks. They make everything easy. Next, let's discuss how to create a Spotify artist profile. So once your music is uploaded, make sure to customize your profile with a bio and a picture, a profile picture, so that fans can easily find you. Now, if you want to get noticed, you could also submit your music to Spotify playlists using Spotify for Artists. This can give you extra exposure. Now, don't forget to promote your music on social media, using Instagram or TikTok to share your song links and get people excited about your music isn't a bad idea. Lastly, keep an eye out on Spotify stats. So basically, you'll learn which songs are the most popular and understand what your fans love. All right? Remember, posting on Spotify can open doors for your music career. So don't wait, start today and watch your music grow. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. See you soon. Thanks for staying here. Ciao. Love ya.